All right, welcome everybody. Today is the 20th. Today we are learning about the geometric mean and similar triangles. So the geometric mean is when we multiply the two numbers that are given to us and then we take the square root of it. Take a minute to pause this video and write this down in your notebook. So the first example that we're doing, find the geometric mean of 8 and 18. So again, step one is going to be multiply, and then we're going to square root it. So we'll multiply 8 times 18, and we get 144. Then we square root 144. We should know by now that the square root of 144 is 12, but if you prefer to break it down into the prime factorization, that's okay too. That's 12 times 12, which is 2 and 6. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. When we get to the end, I'm going to highlight my prime numbers, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. And then I'm going to circle my pairs in a different color. Pair of 2s, pair of 2s, and a pair of 3s. So I don't have anything that is unpaired, so I don't have any radical symbol. I've got a pair of 2s, 2, and 3. 2, 2, 3. Multiply those together, 4 times 3. That gives me 12. Our next example, 20 and 25. Our first step is to multiply. 20 times 25. You get 500. The next step is to square root it. And we can actually just use 20 and 25, or we can use 5 and 100. It's totally up to you. But I'll just use 20 times 25. 25 is 5 times 5. Those are prime, so I leave it alone. 20 is 4 times 5. 4 is 2 times 2, and those are my prime numbers. All right, so now I'm going to circle my pairs. And I've got one that is unpaired. So a 2 comes out of the radical symbol, a 5 comes out, and the 5 stays in. So 2, 5, square root 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Square root 5 just comes down. And I get 10 square root 5. All right, 3 and 7. All I'm going to do is multiply those two numbers. And I get 21. Then I'm going to square root that number. Square root of 21. All right, square root of 21. I can't think of any other numbers that will multiply to give me 21, so I've still got 3 times 7. I have no pairs here, so I don't have anything to pull out of the radical symbol. It's already as simplified as it can be. My answer is square root of 21. All right, so at this time, I want you to go ahead and do your Desmos. Numbers 1 through 8. Once you finish number 8, you can go ahead and stop. I'll teach you how to do the rest tomorrow.